Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The best Canon cameras are known for their great autofocus, intuitive and simpler user interface, and of course, sharp and clean image quality with great color reproduction. But, with a catalog of options across all formats, finding the best Canon camera isn't straightforward. Lucky for you, we've tested all of the Japanese manufacturers' top models, from easy-to-use compacts to full-frame mirrorless cameras, to determine the pecking order of its camera family. And we've gathered the best Canon cameras we've tried and tested for your consideration. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best Canon cameras in 2023 for you. The link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Canon EOS R6.
24.2 effective megapixels. Approximate. Lets you capture sharp, detailed images even in low light conditions indoors and outdoors. Compatible with dual pixel CMOS AF. Enhances digital camera performance and processes, including image stabilization, image processing, and video functionality, for sharp, high-resolution images and video with minimal noise or grain. Electronic shutter speeds of up to 40 frames per second at 20 MP let you capture dynamic action shots of athletes, animals, vehicles in motion, or even the split-second changes in facial expressions for portraits. In addition to people, small animals, cars and motorcycles, the R6 Mark II also easily detects horses, trains, and aircraft, with the option to automatically select the subject type without manually switching.
Number 2. Canon EOS R3.
High image quality with a back-illuminated stacked 24.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Digic X image processor with an ISO range of 100-102,400. Expandable to 200 and 4,800. High-speed continuous shooting of up to approximate 30 frames per second with electronic silent shutter, and up to 12 frames per second with mechanical shutter. Improved dual-pixel CMOS AF with 1053 AF points featuring vehicle detection as well as eye, face, head, and animal detection. The first EOS digital camera to feature eye control AF. Panning assist when panning assist is enabled on the EOS R3 with firmware 1.4.0 or later. Subject tracking and optical image stabilization are used to detect and correct motion blur on the pan subject during exposure, leading to more keepers at slower shutter speeds.
Number 1. Canon EOS R5.
High image quality featuring a new 45 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Digic X image processor with an ISO range of 100 to 51,200. Expandable to 102,401. High-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 frames per second with mechanical shutter, and up to 20 frames per second electronic silent shutter. Dual pixel CMOS AF covering approximate 100% area with 1,053 AF areas. Subject tracking of people and animals too using deep learning technology. Video capture resolution 8K UHD 4320p. Dual memory card slots. Compatible with RF 5.2mm f2.8L dual fisheye lens. In-body image stabilizer high-resolution shot using the EOS R5 with firmware 1.8.1 or later. The IBIS high-resolution shot mode can create 400 megapixel, approximate, files in camera, without the need for external software.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.